Welcome to Dino Island Adventure Park.
Wow, look at that thing!
Oh, amazing!
Welcome to the island, where adventure and safety go hand in hand. We have water rides, roller coasters.
Roar! Let's dance!
We're flying! Hold on! Watch those glowing fossils! Roar! Did you know those plates might have helped with heat or display?
Patience, explorers. Babies always cross first.
Don't worry. Hold on tight. These dinos love to play in the water. Our youngest dinos love meeting gentle explorers like you.
Sharp teeth for meat, flat teeth for plants. Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. Can you find where they lived?
Amazing work, dino creators! Wow! We're flying! We're flying!
Oh, look, it's coming to say hello!
I think it likes your Bronto bites. Stay hydrate, explorers.
Sleep now, little ones, in your cozy dinosaur dreams.
Your adventurers are safe and sound.
Dino Parade!
Long ago, the island was born in fire and water.
Dino, Dino!
Good night, little stars, good night.
Thank you for visiting Dino Island. We can't wait to see you again!
See you next time, Dino Island.